Prelvix Microneedle Patch is marketed as a breakthrough weight loss patch that supposedly helps burn fat and support effortless weight loss through microneedle technology. But the real question is, do the negative reviews tell the real story, or is there actually something special here? Now, to be fair, microneedle technology is a real medical concept. Researchers have studied microneedle delivery systems for certain medications and healthcare applications. What it does well, easy to use. Applying a patch is generally simpler than following complex diet programs or taking multiple supplements. May encourage consistency. Users who struggle with pills may find patches more convenient. Where the hype falls apart, there is little evidence it causes significant weight loss. This is the biggest issue. Weight loss patches have historically struggled to demonstrate meaningful results in independent studies. The marketing often sounds too good to be true. Claims about effortless fat burning without diet or exercise should immediately raise skepticism. Negative reviews frequently report minimal results. Many dissatisfied users say they experience little or no noticeable weight loss benefit. So, do the negative reviews tell you everything about Prelvix Microneedle Patch? Short answer, they reveal an important pattern. Many users appear disappointed because the product often fails to match the dramatic weight loss claims found in advertisements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.